Hakajindap khat pras nam kajing Ïaid lenti ke Mairang Presbyterian Science College na dua bala sengya ka house nam Arajan Rio haka khat khandai tere ujilio Araja arpusau la penlong ya ke program bakerpang ban rakhi ya ke sngi haka bala penkop buram ru ya ki nongseng ki bala don benta ban penyat ya ke college Shakman. Ke college haka ni ke sngi kala penkop buram ru ya samla Kevin Strong Lauriniang ubala pas bah haka examen HSSLC Science Stream ubala yok ban bat ya ke kerdan top 10. Hakani kejing rakhi jongko college lawan banya don bentalang dau chief secretary ke Sarkar Jala ubat DP Wahlang Kumukongsan u deputy commissioner ke Eastern West Khasils district ubat G Kharmau Plang u moderator ke Mairang Presbytery ubat GC Lendam ki dekot ke governing body ki nonghikai nolor Kiwei ki bala syakot ngobha bat ki samla Pule. Hakajingkran kumukongsan ubat DP Wahlang ulapan pau syaki samla Pule ban nalor ke degree ki don kamru ya ke jinghikai pentebet kenang bakin sok hadian habut bat na ke jing pentrei kam ya ke National Education Policy arja arpo kan yarap shibun ya ki samla bakin yo ya ke jing tebet bat haga jokopor ke degree.
Reverend I. W. Longsay, who is a founder member of the governing body and former president, a former representative during his term as an MLA of the Mairang constituency. Thank you very much, sir, for your contribution. Let me do the honors. Kevin Strong Lauriniang secured the 10th position in the HSSLC examination 2024.
In your race, a future for MBSC, shine your light, guide us to wisdom in your race.
It also aims to integrate vocational studies, vocational education with mainstream education, ensuring that students acquire practical skills along with theoretical knowledge. It is important that you don't only have a degree. It is nice to have a degree, but it is more important to have a skill. There is no use if you don't have a skill, just a degree. When you go to the job market, especially outside, you realize that they are looking for a specialized skill, not only a degree. And this NEP 2020, that is the new education policy, prepares us for that. Now, you have to understand, as students, you need to do a proper SWOT analysis of yourself. What is a SWOT analysis? Students should be knowing what a SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is S is for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, and T for threats. So each and every student should know what are his or her strengths. What is your strength as a student? What are your weaknesses? As I said, if you feel that maths is a weakness, maybe you would like to take maths. So an option will be there for you to take another subject. What are your opportunities? Where do you think you can progress in your life? What are the various threats? What are the areas where you feel that you should not tread into that territory because it's a threat for you? So when you are looking forward to your future, do a proper SWOT analysis. And I think as a take home today, I request all the students to make a proper assessment of your own SWOT. That is, see what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, opportunities in whatever field you're choosing, and threats. It is especially very important for all of you. It's a day in which you need to reflect properly on your future, you need to reflect properly on what needs to be done. I've given you some hints, I've given you some pep talk on how you need to really adapt yourself and be versatile in your daily life. Remember that the foundation of anything is hard work. Study while others are sleeping, work while others are loafing around, and understand, prepare while others are playing, and dream while others are wishing. These are the wishes I have for you as students. Continue to work hard. As I said, hard work, there is no substitute to it. But along with hard work, you have to open up your mind and do the analysis that I have mentioned. I wish all of you the very best of luck, and I wish the college, the governing body, the very best. They have been putting in a lot of effort I meet them all the time in Shillong, and whatever help we can give, we will try our best from the education department and from the government, and I'm sure that this college will prosper more and more. My congratulations to the management for the good work that they have done so far.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.